Alright, welcome back to unboxing a weather radio. I'm here with
SBC Carolina EAS.
Carolina Elevators in the EAS.
and we're gonna be unboxing this V15 HH54 VP2. Let's get started. Alright, let's open this thing up. Actually, before we do that...
How you managed to get a V15?
Yeah, I don't know. It's just out of luck on eBay. It popped up and I got it.
VP2 especially.
Yeah, VP2. Oh, I also got another VP... I also got...
It's actually a 1-star rarity.
It is? Nice. I got another V15 right here, by the way. You see? But,
VP2.
here's the...
Yeah,
here's the back of it. Let me show every single little bit of it real quick for you guys. Here's the front.
That's an awesome glamour package.
It is, yeah.
I
Okay.
love the VP2 package.
Yeah, I'm gonna keep it, definitely. Let's open it up now.
Got a value pack.
I want a VP2 so bad because I already have both HH versions. I can just find like a charging cradle or something.
You can just get another V16 or something like that. That's like a charging thing, I guess. I don't know. Also, one thing before mentioned, this has the weird sparkling, weird white dots thing on the antenna. I actually noticed that when I was really unboxing it. Here it really is. It's kind of
Are
weird.
you sure that's not dust?
No, I'm sure it's paint. It's paint. Yeah, it's fully paint.
Must have been a mistake in the factory or something.
Probably. I wonder if that will make it even rarer.
It's also kind of cool. You got the OG Midland battery rechargeable.
Oh yeah. I'm not gonna be I'm just gonna be using this, so I'm like, because I know these don't have a good battery life, so I'm just gonna be, using it as a thing to charge it while it's in the charging cradle. I'm not gonna be taking it
I'm
off
assuming
the
they don't
cradle.
have good battery life because they've been sitting around for so many years.
Yeah, probably. Would make
Mine
sense.
was trash. I haven't done it for a week and I unplugged it and took the menu button, it died.
Yeah.
And it was brand new too. So that's probably gonna do the same thing to you, Kev.
Yeah, it probably will. I think they all do. Let me try this here.
Probably didn't do that when it was first made.
I will say VP2s are kind of overpriced though.
Yeah, this was like around $80.
Oh, gosh.
Yeah.
I've seen one of those before for like 2023.
It's better.
People actually buy them. That's the crazy part.
Yeah, because it's a VP2.
I mean, yeah, it is.
I love HHs. I don't know.
Isn't this like your 5th one?
Yeah.
Hey, you're on the way to
No,
becoming
6
a
actually.
millennial.
6. Sorry.
Oh, 6. Wow.
Yeah, you can't forget the 50.
Oh yeah, 3.
Yeah, you can't forget the 50. Here we
I
go.
have a 16 and a 15.
Here's the Midland battery. Turn the camera back on. Here's the Midland battery. Nice.
Probably doesn't last very
Here's
long.
the 50. Oh, the antenna pops off. Yeah. Oh no.
Wow.
Is that salt? What?
I'm putting salt on the antenna.
It's like sugar or salt. It's ew. It's sticky. Ew.
No.
I'm questioning who's storing this thing.
Yeah, the entire antenna cover is all cracked up on it. Sadly.
Can someone tell me who thought it was a good idea to eat some sugar on top of their VP2 that's still sealed in package or something?
Yeah. Just put it in a box, just eat like a snack or something.
Dude,
That's just...
it is.
Drop something together. I'm just walking.
Yeah, it's all ew. It's all slimy and
very
crusty. Ew.
Mm.
Yeah, I'm gonna clean this antenna off and try popping it back on.
That charging cradle's
Dude,
looking nice.
How would
yeah,
the antenna cover?
it is really loose. The entire side here is cracked. Look at that. The entire side's all cracked in it. If you can see. Oh.
You probably just glue it on.
Oh, I need to tape that. Oh, it already broke in half. Where'd it go?
Oh no.
Here it is. It already snapped in half.
That's like the one time I had it in my... Oh!
Yeah.
Oh no.
I was
It's
gonna say, it came off like the one time when I...
no, like
with
it.
you and it was my
It completely,
pocket and it
yeah,
went
the
flying.
entire thing cracked all the way down from the bottom to the top.
Well, that's a failure.
Well, when I opened mine, new HH, both of them broke off instantly.
Yeah, the antenna. Oh no, the back of the clip's fine. It's really strong.
Yeah.
But like the entire antenna's all
Yours and a
screwed
book
up.
off, mine built it.
Yeah.
Is this a failed unboxing now?
The problem, I don't know. Here's
I guess it
the
is
char-
not.
ooh,
Turtle's looking nice.
yeah, the charging cable is really nice. Look at this. Turn the back on.
Got the
I'm
exact same.
jealous. I'm jealous.
Wait, I gotta plop it in. I gotta plop it in. Oh, yeah. That's
There
nice.
It is.
There's a little label.
Here, let me show you guys real
We're
quick.
gonna do the
That's
label.
what it
Throw it away.
looks- Yeah. I'm gonna peel label. Here, I'm doing it from the
I
camera.
wish my HH looked like that.
Put it off.
Oh, it peels so slowly. Look how slowly it peels. It's so satisfying.
That's always the best part.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
that was nice.
Any plastic seal.
Dude, this looks so fresh. In comparison to my other V15, it looks so fresh.
Except for that antenna.
Oh, whoa! We got some manual guide stuff here. Nice, nice.
Manual. I just keep mine in there.
I have a drawer dedicated to all manuals for my radios. Like every single manual is in that drawer.
Does that one come with a people battery?
You have like 5 HH manuals?
I'm pretty sure. Yeah.
Do y'all come with little keep-on thingies?
Well, not 5. This one didn't come with anything. It came like a small little USPS mail thing. Yeah.
I mean, like some HHs that you buy, they give you like a free battery coupon.
Whoa.
That's gonna came with
I
that.
got tons of Midland stuff. Motorola, sorry. Nice. Oh, I got the XT511 base camp radio. Oh, I got the WR300, WR100, and WR11, and the 50.
Yo! You got the WR10 on that?
Yeah, look at
all
that.
of those radios except for the ER102.
Yeah, that's pretty nice.
The HH50.
So the WR11 was being sold when this was being sold. That's pretty cool. Yeah. There's a regular old manual.
They
I
go on the
have
battery coupon.
like 3 of these now, so yeah, or 4 probably. I actually kind of genuinely want to know. I have to put this cloth out of the way. Let's see. Take this back off. Oh yeah, the back's perfectly fine. Oh, let's open it up. Oh, it's a 1012 serial number. Look at this. 1012.
1012?
Yeah.
It's number 2010.
Nice.
Nice. Guaranteed V15.
Yeah, so this one here is definitely older than that. So look at this is a
GSP
1010.
is in an air audio lot.
Oh. Or something.
Number one.
So this is up. Okay. Now put it in like this. Oh, this thing's in the way. Don't want to break that. There we go. Now she's in.
Battery.
Fits so tightly. Crazy. Now, let's put this back on it. Yeah, it's not gonna power on. Let's get the charging port real quick. Where's my broken antenna at? Oh, it's under here. I'm gonna try to fix it if it's possible. If it's not, then I'm just gonna leave it like this, cause why not? Cause I got another one I fixed, so yeah.
Bald HH.
Oh, clever. Shoot. Oh, here's the bolt cover. Here's the bolt cover right here. Let's put it back on. Nice, 2 V15s. Okay, let's grab this extension cord right here.
VP2 and a VP.
Yeah, let's try.
And you have to get the 16 VP2.
Oh, I need to do that.
Yeah.
Now. Oh yeah,
I have one.
I need to get one now. Okay, let's try to. Yeah, I got my power cord right here. Now let's just try to untwist these twisty ties real quick. Let's go. Oh my.
Now on Amazon.
Here, let's just put it right here. Move all this trash out of the way real quick. Don't want to move this antenna out over there. All right. Now let's. Okay. Nice, nice.
Look at HH will be 50.
Here we go.
battery
I'm
in
plugging in the back now. 3, 2, 1. Hello?
Is it plugged in the wall?
I think so.
Do you have the battery in it?
Yeah.
Try just plugging it in the wall.
Yeah.
This cradle.
The battery
Yeah,
packs
on the
on.
bottom.
Probably not gonna.
Yeah, I don't think it's not turning on. Let's put it right here. Make sure it's still plugged in.
Not turning on at all.
Do you have batteries?
Is it plugged in? It's not plugged in.
Just take batteries and one of the
Oh
other.
yeah, it's not plugged into the wall. That's what it was. Alright. So here we go. Plugging it in time.
Yeah.
Oh, my kneecaps hurt so bad from
Power
kneeling on
on.
them. Okay. Sit back real quick. Alright. Let's wrong one. Let's plug it in now. Let's see this. You guys go see it first. Oh, nice! Version 15. Here, let me do it for you guys too. Here, make sure you guys can see it really well. Plug it in. 3, 2, 1.
So it was just a battery or something? It's already on.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's already on.
Wait, it stayed on? Oh my gosh, it actually stays on. Hold up.
Yeah, you got a lucky one.
Oh, wait, it's boot looping. It's actually kind of working. The battery's actually kind of working on it. That's actually kind of surprising. Oh yeah, version 15. Oh, nice little red charging light right there. If you guys
set
can
it up
see it.
now.
Yeah, see a little red charging light? I set up now. Here we go. Time, you want to get that. That's a chance. Oh,
Button beeps.
what?
There they are.
Oh, the buttons like the.
You just have to put another antenna cover on it.
What the if you tap the buttons really fast, it double clicks. That's weird.
What?
Yeah, if you tap the buttons really fast, it like double clicks and crosses over tons
I
of
get my
stuff.
VP will could try that.
There you go.
What station is that?
KHP31.
South in the afternoon. Seas 223.
We have KX995?
Oh, the buttons are not that responsive on this thing. Oh no.
It did not be.
Here we go. Same set. We want and yeah, any. Yeah.
It's like my version 15 where the left arrow button doesn't even work.
No, I think all the button. It's all screwed up. I'm pretty sure. Voice. Alert test it. Nice.
15 years. Oh, 14. Okay. 14 years or more.
All right. Pretty nice. Now.
My band attack.
Yeah, I forgot. I need to set my regular V15 to it's already in voice. Never mind. We good. But yeah. Pretty nice. I'm gonna go put this over to my left. And now a little continue on. Let me just do a little different. I have some more radios I need to unbox a little bit technically. Actually no, I'm just gonna leave them in. Alright, I'm guessing this is pretty much marks the end of the unboxing of this amazing, glorious HH54 VP2 version 15. And I'm doing by
SPC Carolina EAS.
Carolina Elevators in AS.
This is Kevin_EAS signing out. Goodbye.